Good day, everyone. I'm meteorologist Adam Kolpak. We're going to start out with the coast here, and you can see we've got a frost advisory in effect from 2 a.m. through 9 a.m. Wednesday morning. This is out towards Coos County. This includes the outlying areas near Coos Bay, Myrtle Point, and Coquille, where low temperatures are going to range between 33 and 39. So we've got a chilly night ahead. There could also be some patchy late-night fog into tomorrow morning, especially in the Coquille Valley. Also, we're still dealing with air stagnation advisories right through next week. Can you believe it? 4 a.m. Wednesday next week. This is for the valleys west of the Cascades and also east of the Cascades. This does include the Rogue Valley. We're going to be dealing with, unfortunately, high pressure in control, and what that's doing is it's keeping cold air trapped at the surface. With an inversion, we have warm air aloft, and that's helping, or at least hurting, with the mixing of the air. And since we have only light winds and limited vertical mixing, this may diminish the air quality over this time period, and that's why the air stagnation advisory is in effect right through Wednesday of next week during the early morning hours. Why is all this happening? Well, you can kind of see what's going on the satellite right now. There is a high pressure system right here, and it's blocking any storms that normally would be moving through this area, especially during the month of December when we do expect a lot of rain and also snow for the higher terrain. It's basically going up and around the ridge here. This ridge pattern is going to continue for the next several days, and what that means is we're going to have a cycle basically here. During the night and the morning hours, there is a fog, low clouds and freezing fog filling in, especially in the valleys west of the Cascades, and then we may see some more sunshine breaking out during the day. However, there may be some days where the inversion is stronger, where it's going to be tougher to get the low clouds out of here, especially in parts of the sheltered valleys, including the Rogue Valley. But for now, we're going pretty good for the coast, even though it'll be chilly at night. With lows in the 30s and 40s, there may be some patchy frost, especially inland areas, Coos County, and also some patchy areas of fog into the early morning hours, then more sunshine during the day. For the coast, if you have plans to visit there, or if you're already there, lucky dog you. We're going to have temperatures in the 50s and 60s for tomorrow, but it still looks pretty good for the rest of the work week and potentially into the weekend with more sunshine. And as we move inland for the valleys west of the Cascades, lows will be in the teens and 20s. I have it up towards the 30s in Douglas County with Roseburg at 32, 44 for the high. There will be areas of fog, freezing fog and low clouds filling in overnight into tomorrow morning, then becoming partly sunny. We may even see more sunshine developing during the afternoon. I have 27 and 42 for Medford. There'll be plenty of sunshine down towards Mount Shasta City at 21 and 45. East of the Cascades, a frigid start for tomorrow morning. Lows in the single numbers and teens, although I do have it a little bit warmer up towards Crater Lake because you're above the inversion, so you're in the relatively warmer air aloft, and you're going to see plenty of sunshine if you're going to be heading to Crater Lake. Whether it's Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, it's looking pretty good. I have 12 and 39 for Klamath Falls. There may be some patchy freezing fog in some of the lower terrain during the early morning hours, but there'll be plenty of sunshine during the day. Here's your 7-day forecast. As you can see for the Rogue Valley, again at night and during the morning hours, this is where we're going to see the best chance for the areas of fog, freezing fog, and low clouds. However, there might be some days in this 7-day where clouds may not totally clear out of the valley, and that would keep the temperatures a little bit lower. Right now I'm going for highs generally in the 30s and 40s for the Rogue Valley, and lows will generally be in the 20s and 30s. Moving into the Klamath Basin, our highs will be in the 30s and 40s. There'll be plenty of sunshine overall. It'll be chilly starts, though, as you can see. And moving into the Mount Shasta City area, lows will be in the 20s and highs generally in the 40s to possibly around 50. There is a possibility late at night and during the morning hours for late night freezing fog, but there'll be plenty of sunshine during the day. And yes, this would be a great time to go to the coast this week and potentially into this weekend with highs in the 50s and 60s with enough offshore flow. Some areas may be flirting with 70. We have lows generally in the 30s and 40s.